Hi, I'm Scott, your GetSetup guide. If you're looking to take beautiful portraits of your loved ones, you don't need fancy equipment like lights, backdrops, and a professional grade camera. Ambient surroundings are ideal for portraits that can be captured with even a smartphone or a compact camera. In this session, I'll walk you through the photography techniques that bring out the best in the subjects of your pictures, whether they're your grandchildren or your closest friends. We'll discuss various poses you can have your subjects take, the type of clothing you should advise them to wear, and the creative angles that you, the photographer, can use as you're shooting. We'll talk about capturing unique candid portraits, and you'll learn about optimizing the surrounding light and background. Whether you're using a digital camera or a smartphone, this class will help you make portraits that will beautifully capture the people you care about and create lasting memories. I look forward to seeing you.